Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Tuvalu? Let's explore. Construction plays an important role in Tuvalu's economy, mainly through small-scale and public projects. The average annual gross salary is about $5,400 or $450 per month. After taxes, the yearly salary is around $4,700 or about $390 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In the capital Funafuti, salaries are usually higher. In other islands, wages tend to be lower. Experience also influences income. Entry-level workers may earn around $3,600 per year, while experienced ones can make up to $7,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.